Here's a close-up look at this urn kit. It comes everything wrapped in all these little plastic bags, so everything arrives in really nice condition. Here's a look at the mini urns. They are quite small, like this cap right here is about the size of a quarter. Here's a look at the inside of it. Smooth twist on and off, and you get a bunch of these. These are all the same. The little urns, they say in loving memory, and then a little message down there at the bottom. But then these are what I think are really cool, and I'll try and show you each one of these up close. Let me zoom in, because I think these are a lot of fun and special, just depending on which one you want. That's just my finger smudge there on the back, but see, there's a little message right there: always on my mind, forever in my heart. And let's see, I think you spin counterclockwise and that opens them up like that, and then you can load them in the top with whatever you want to load them with. And I'll show you a couple other ones of these. Here's this one where you've kind of got some double cross action going on, and then it also comes with a little funnel and plunger to help you load each of these. Here's a look at this one right here. They also come wrapped with plastic around them. So I'll just remove this plastic so you can see this better. And you can see they just come really nicely packaged in really good condition. That smudge is just, once again, my kind of clammy hands, but there you can see. Really, really pretty. Also comes with its own funnel and plunger, as you can see right there. And then I'll show you just one more. This one's my favorite. Look how cool looking this one is, and it has like a little bit of weight to it. Once again, counterclockwise, and you can open it and then load it up, and it comes with its own plunger and funnel, as you can see right there. So really cool kit, lots of different options, really high quality. Definitely recommend it. Definitely think you'll be happy with it.